How to verify your identity on Wise. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by logging in your Wise account. So simply open that up and log into your account. Once you have logged in here, you have to open up a new account. So for that you have to click on open and simply select balance, and now you can choose whatever currency you want to go with. So once you have choose your currency, you have to select that. Let's say I want to verify my account, so you have to simply click any of these currencies. Let's say you want to go with USD, or you can also go with any kind of currency. The process will be similar. So now click on add button. Let's say you want to add 20 pounds or 20 US dollars. So once you have clicked on that, as you can see, verify your identity. So simply select your country first of all. Once you are done, you have to click on next, but before, select your document type. Let's say you want to go with national ID. Now click on next again, and now once you are here, verify your identity with your identity card. Go and get your identity card. You will need to take a photo of it. So click on that, take a photo, and this will opens up your camera. As you can see, front side of your ID. So simply make sure that you are making this picture in a broad daylight. So simply tap on this picture and this will take front side photo and your back side photo of your national ID card or whatever you have selected. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 or maybe a week to verify your identity. So that's how basically you can verify your identity on Wise.